morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Master Guiding Simon, Assistant Commander Jacqueline Hansati, and also by all the house captain. Let us all give him a huge round of applause. May I now request Graduate Warranty of Class 4 Section A to present our chief guest with a bouquet, a small token of appreciation. Let us all give him a huge round of applause. Welcome, sir. I've been here. I know you as a friend. I have lived for a token of love. Please give him a huge round of applause. And also on stage we have our Menacing Board Chairman, Latan Moya, Pastor Latan Moya on stage. I would like to call him here to come forward. Thank you so much, sir, for coming and joining us. And also we have our church elders, Presbyterian Church, Diphu Mondoli. We have Mondolia Sir Dolasing Teron to come here. Menacing Board. Yes, our school Menacing Board. He is also one of our school Menacing Board.
Good morning, everyone. And again, once again, good morning, everyone. Thank you. Respected our principal, STM teachers, parents, and students. It's a true pleasure to welcome you all to our first ever Science and Art exhibition here in our PMHS Diphu. Today, I would like to give thanks to Almighty God for giving us an opportunity here and opening the first ever the Science and Art exhibition here in our mission field, especially in our PMHS Diphu. Science and art is not just a subject. It's a way of life, a tool that helps us understand our world, solve challenges. This what something like pollution and energy crisis, and improve our daily life. Marketo head mistress, Lapen, Kethanatu, Lapen, student Lapen, Apia tum Pini, Nang Kachatong Dunatum Anapan, Franci, Nang Litum, Apan Kacharolam Pilo, Pini Labangso, Wiltuma Mission Field, Karbiang Long Mission Field, Lapen, Labangso, School of Pen, Labangso Science and Arts Exhibition ke kechengsi, Ningkan Thong ke Palong, Lada Karbiang Long, along Mission tum Mission Akam Claim Law, School ke Seng Setame Ajir Ding Pig Law, Pini ke kechengsi exhibition lo. La pochi la ke ning arong parpipen pini peman lona.
Give him a huge round of applause. Thank you so much. On stage we have Redeemer School Headmistress Vandarshiat Brahma. I would like to call the inaugural school teachers, the two staff who come on stage. Lapen cessation. Kok melok, achat alam pe kachok, arleng alam, hindi alam, lapen Assamese pe bhal lagi sila, kini ka, iti lagi ko lagi. G language para likhto lagi Assamese. Start pra ahibo lagibo.
The Burmese and the British, we saw here it remarks the beginning of British rule in Assam.
Okay.
And let's move to this year. This year, 1828 to 1833, we saw here the revolt of Komdhar Konwar. Komdhar Konwar is a person who raised his voice against the British, the first person. Though the revolt was failed, but it shows that people did not accept British rule.
Okay.
And so,
Thank you.
this year, in the year 1837, we saw here the birth of tea garden,
Tea garden, yes.
in Assam. Yes. Though it was profit for the British, but it's pain for the people. The labor who work at tea garden, they did not get any advantages and any profit. And in the year 1857, we saw here when the revolt was again the worldwide. Even the Assam joined the revolt. Leaders like Maniram
Oh,
Devan
yes.
and Pioli Borwa sacrificed their lives.
Yeah.
And marks the beginning of Assam modern educational system in Assam.
Cotton College.
Yes.
Assamese cultural awakening. Yeah.
Let's move to the next year. During the year 1890 to 1900, we saw Assamese cultural awakening. During this period, Assamese literature and culture flourished in Assam. In short, the soul of Assam awakens. Our words is our pride.
Okay. Before that, in Assam, the Bengali language is introduced, no?
Yes.
And after that, you were awakening.
Yes, awaken. Let's move to the next year. During the year 1920 to 1922, when non-cooperation movement was going on nationwide, Assam to join this movement, students protested and boycotted British goods. Khadi became the symbol of self-respect and freedom.
Yes.
Leaders like Ganga Govinda, Chandradhar Barua and Tara Prasad Chaliha led this movement.
1947, India independence.
In the year 1947, when India got independence, a new dawn for Assam and India. It marks a new chapter in the history of Assam. Gopinath Bordoloi became the first premier of Assam. Under his leadership, Guwahati University, Assam Medical College, Assam Veterinary College, Assam Agricultural College was established and marks the beginning of and opens the gate for human resources in Assam.
Okay.
You might ask, what is electricity? So in basic terms, electricity is a simple flow of electron. Electricity consists of two things, protons and electrons. So electricity can be defined as the transfer of or the movement of electron in an electrical circuit.
Yes.
And many scientists have studied about this electricity, flow of electricity. And okay, once we turn it on, electricity will go through it. And there are two components, the protons and the electrons, right, sir? a positive and a negative. This is an DC current.
An AC.
Yes. We are not using an AC current, since AC current can be very harmful for the hue.
Yes, yes.
And DC current, and since it's only 12 volt, it's not harmful. As you can see, I can easily touch it, nothing will happen to me. So there are conductors and insulators. So please, if you take this and place it over here at the both end.
Here.
Yes, both of them. As you
Okay.
can see, the light will turn on.
Okay. Yes.
And let's move to plateaus. Plateaus are
This is mountain.
yes, sir.
And then this is
These are
plateau.
plateaus. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Plateaus are like mountain structures with flat tops. These are high from ground levels, and it's like a table. It had flat top, so it are made from the tectonic plate movement under the earth crust movement of the
Yeah.
tectonic plates under the earth surface. It forms, and let's move to desert. Indian deserts are also called as Thar Desert.
Thar desert.
Thar Desert.
Yes, the
and-
plateau, especially there in Indian map,
Yes, sir.
we see the Western Ghats. I mean, in Mumbai and Pune and Gujarat.
Yes.
In this the West Coast, there are so many plateaus we already experienced now.
Yes.
Yes, very interesting.
So desert animals like camels
Yeah.
are found in desert, which can go many days without water, and it stores energy in the hump at its back, which helps them to travel more distance
Okay. Travel more
without
distance.
water for many days. And plants like cactus, which grows in desert, require a less amount of water to grow. It stores foods in its spikes.
And effect.
Yeah.
Cutting down of trees cause deforestation, and cutting down of trees for making road, it lost the natural ability to absorb carbon dioxide, which trap heat, and using fossil fuels in factories increases the production of carbon dioxide and methane. Methane trap a large amount of heat in the atmosphere. Because of the heat, temperature rise, and because of the temperature rise, glacier melts.
Yes.
Many of the glacier melts because of
And
the
the sea
glacier
level
melts.
rise.
Sea level rise.
Okay.
Sea level rise.
Road construction is needed, but we cutting that is here in Diphu also now.
This is our Karbi project, and this is Kangra, where it is related to traditional clothing or accessories. And this is Hoton, where Karbi people keep things like fruits, vegetables, and rice. And this is Hak. Might be a traditional food or dish we keep.
Okay. Very good.
A dress for a meal. And this is boho, where we use. This is chipan for male to wear at their house. This
Eba.
is peba for carrying a child, and
For carrying a child.
yeah,
Okay.
it helps. And this is bangkok for girls to tie their. And this is pini, where we wear Karbi female girls. And this
Pini
pi-
is the upper one or the lower one?
the lower one. And this is base select. This is for girls to wear is the upper one.
Only girls.
Yeah, no boys.
No, I mean for
Girls
Women?
like female, yeah, women also. And this is in crew.
yeah. improve?
This used to help in rice where there is dirt, so we clean it up. And this is tali to cut something. And this also the same, but it's used for something strong.
Okay, okay. Okay, Belen.
Yeah, it is same like in clothes. It also used to help in making rice clean.
Okay.
And this is pickle to wear for women. Female. It is for female. It is used to wear for female. And this is jamboro. It is our Karbi traditional bag. And this is wampok for the women. And this is pesaling to wear. It is for female.
What is the difference between the peacock and peselect?
Oh, peacock is you just wear it, but pesaling is like we used to use at the lower and the upper two.
Okay.
And this is peba. It is also for carrying a child. It helps in carrying a child.
Okay, okay.
And this is the same as baby.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. And this is gotengpi to wear like earrings.
Earrings.
Introduce yourself.
Madam Dimensor, Madam Infrared, Elementary Kechengsi Class 1. Ini dari Tuhan Pekaikan, Teman Malampe, Umur Kemi Kelai, Anak Kedang Sotlo. Dari Tuhan Kendala Cikaipo, Kendang Kendala Pam. Kaspen Cikaipo, Amor dan Nalitum Laiha, Manungkol Silotela Sukandal Posisi Langki. Tumta Teklong Inte, Kaweta, Sukandal Ken, Meksiko. Tema Tombol Long Wedera Poto. Si, Episode Kendang Letek Mese, Umur Kemi Sotlo. Si, ini bonit Letek Siraikan, dan Ancot Jali. Bonda Ancot Jali, dan Ancot Umur Kemi Sotlo. Singapura Kardau.
Well done deh, kita. Nah, cero dulu deh. Udah. Morning. What is this?
What is this? Tell them. Tell their names also. Tell the names of the body parts.
Got damage or stop working. All other electrical branches stop working. Luckily, better than expected.
Lottery number 204. Lottery card 204. 204.
college pen Lapen apaka kesi atung alam itu na jatong dut kadu kabia tuma panta labang so school exhibition along na chitong dun Singapore na tuma panta so alam kijelo mona kan ke nili ana madom ko ana madom sena Epapi kan tunai sning arnam nono to nang suko disisone kan tham lolo atema piniyani nada kar biang long Presbyterian Mission School along exhibition kudupen kedawata papurahu man kedu reverend al pastia secretary senat moderator alami pedagogi also exhibition along alami penin pun bawa pen abang solong directory from